shells upon their backs. They follow each other in happy tracks. One sees a pond, let's take a dip. They splash and swim, flip by flip, blowing bubbles, floating with cheer, having fun with no fear. When the stars shine, they rest so tight, tucked in shells, cozy at night. 3 little turtles, kind and true, living their days in skies so blue.